like I was saying before, my plan is, what I was thinking was have these two plates bolted together from top to bottom, and they would be split. That way you could adjust it back and forward and move it out to the end if you're moving something that's not real heavy, or move it further back if it's a trailer that's real heavy. This is a piece I cut out of a trailer hitch kit for an older model Ford truck. I don't know what model it fit, but it was just laying around and couldn't sell it to nobody, so I just cut this piece out, and I'm going to use it on here to make this mount with. It should work pretty good. It was a heavy duty mount. By the time it's welded on here and bolted, it should be strong enough to move anything I want to move. So I'm going to get this welded on. That's pretty much what I was looking for right there. That's what I had envisioned in my mind, how it would work. I think it's going to work pretty good. You put your hitch in here like that right there. Change out and put any kind of hitch or a hook or anything else you want on it. was looking for. It should work pretty good. Go here and test it out here in a few minutes. Hope it'll work. I guess I'll try moving this gooseneck trailer for a test on the ball. I had to do some work to this trailer and the guy hasn't came back to get it yet, so it's really in my way. I need to move it. I gotta put one of the campers over here, so this will be a good test for it. Well, I'm real happy with that. That turned out really good. Actually better than I thought it would. I've been thinking about this for a while and I wanted to try it. And then this trailer being in my way kind of give me the incentive to go ahead and do it. Get it done. It worked out pretty good. Now I'm going to try moving my camper. Okay, I got it done. Got it painted. It looks really good. Looks just exactly like I wanted it to. I got my safety chain on here in case it was to come loose. I don't think it ever would, but you never know. I've got 6 bolts in it that wedges it down against the forks. That's a lot of pressure, a lot of friction. I don't think it's going anywhere. Got my hooks on for my safety chains. I can change out my ball to any size I want, or I can put a tow hook in it. It's got a lot of possibilities. I'm gonna make a lot of different attachments for this skid steer in the future, so I'll try to make a video for every one I do. That'll be it for this one.